how do you turn off the battery optimization on the iPhone? Let me show you exactly where you can find it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So you just go to your settings app, and the battery should be part of the main sections of the main section of the settings. So you get inside the battery and you can manage all of those things. And we have stuff like the battery health, which you can manage and so on, but below we have the charging situation, right? So when you expand the charging option, you have the things which you probably want to turn off in here. For example, the optimized battery charging, which basically charges your phone to 80% and then expands the remaining 20% according to your habits. So for example, if it knows that you wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning, it's going to make sure that it stretches out the charging process all the way up to your wake up call, right? So if you don't like this kind of thing, then you can just turn it off right here. So you can even read at the top that your iPhone learns from your charging and usage habits to help preserve battery lifespan over time. So that is the whole section and what it's about. At the top, you also have the charging limit, which literally gives you the ability to stop the iPhone from being charged beyond like a 95, 90, or 80%, however you decide. So if you don't want to use any of that, I would just keep it at 100 and be okay. And we also have the clean energy charging, which is also something you can enable or disable based on your preference. Other than that, we only have the low power mode, which is a feature in and of itself, but the main optimization happens inside of this charging menu. So I hope it helps. I hope I was able to show you how you can fix the issues. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future uploads.